Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I did just do a video showing my Scott Barnes purchase, but we're still gonna put on with chapstick because we started with chapstick. My name is Dion. Thank you for being here. This is the crazy explanation of YouTube. Beauty87 here on YouTube. I will link her channel below. I've been watching her videos now for a little while. She's also on Instagram. She had a giveaway, a 500 subscriber giveaway, and sorry if I am shaking. I am cutting open the box. I was one of her winners, and so she notified me a few days ago that I was one of the winners, and I'm like, oh, that's exciting. And it was kind of surreal in a way because if I am shaking, I am really sorry. It was surreal in a way, I forgot what I was saying, because I had mentioned her in a couple of my videos, and particularly my Scott Barnes Color Bomb video, one of those, because she was doing a look and she was saying how two of the shades, which happen to be Shameless and New Flame, when she put them on her lid, they look the same, even though in a pan they look different. And so when I use the palette, I'm like, this is what she was talking about. Like, they really do look the same. And I sent her the link to the videos. Like, this is surreal that I won your giveaway because I talk about you sometimes. So I just opened the box and she asked me which number that I wanted because she was giving away quite a bit of stuff. And so I have a feeling this is going to be everywhere. So I'm going to do the best I can. Everything is pretty much wrapped in bubble wrap. And so I think I'll just video it and cut it out. But I'm trying to just, there's like a lot of stuff in here. All right, so I'm just going to cut stuff out the video as I open things because I don't want this to be super long. Beauty87, thank you so much. Hey girl, hey, I appreciate you and I appreciate you doing this giveaway, and I enjoy your channels. One thing I love about her channel is she does really colorful eye looks, and I'm not good with color combinations, and watching her videos, it really gives me like some inspiration on different color combinations to try. And so thank you for what you're doing. Here is Garnier Green Labs Replumping Serum, 24-hour moisture plus serum plus sunscreen, and it has hyaluronic acid and watermelon, and it's for dehydrated skin and fine lines. And so that's one of the items in the box, and I'm feeling around because there is some other stuff. Garnier Green Labs Smoothing Milky Wash, also with hyaluronic acid, and watermelon, vegan formula. This is nice. This is Colourpop Cream Gel Pencil, and the color is Lost Girl. And I want to open it, but I don't want to open everything. I don't want to take up too much time. I've been wanting to try the Colourpop liners, and I haven't. So this is really nice. I'm guessing that this is the color down here. Yes, that's what the color is. Ah! Did y'all hear it? Oh gosh. I need to move some stuff because my station is really small and the table is not steady, which is why it's really shaky. Ooh, I got eyeshadow palettes. I think I want to dig into those later. When she asked me which number I wanted, I said, I'm choosing number 2, and I said, I hope that's the right number, the one with the eyeshadow palettes in it, because she did do a video showing everything that she was giving away, and a lot of the palettes, like, I don't have and haven't tried, and so I was really excited, thinking like, okay, I hope I picked the right number. And so, yeah, these are eyeshadow palettes. So let me put these in my lap, and we're going to open those later. Body Glow by Nabla. Ooh, am I going to be glowing? Body Highlighter Illuminator. And the shade is in Sugar Baby. Am I too old to be a Sugar Baby? I'm 51. We're going to pretend that I'm not. So this is what that looks like. Ooh, I'm going to be golden. Ooh. Y'all better watch out. I might be like Stella and get my groove back. Hey. I'm tripping. We have a sponge, latex-free, love inspiring beauty LA girl. So it's a little makeup sponge, and it has a container. Well, not a container, but a holder. That's cute. Which is nice because people have sponges and it's like, where do you put them? Barbie Colourpop doll lashes, 1 pair of faux lashes. Those are what that looks like. Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil, 0. The color 0, which is black, so that's what that looks like. Packaged everything really well. And I'm going to lay everything out on my carpet and take a picture, so I should probably stop throwing stuff on the floor. Viper Lip Plumper. Trying to make my lips look bigger than they are. Up to 2 hours effect. Hot to be hot. Increases lip volume within 2 minutes. Oh, look at this. This is the box. This is, I've never seen this before. Oh, this is from Nabla. Okay. Okay. Hot to be hot. Hey, girl. Like Shanae. What was that? What was that show? Jamie Foxx played somebody, Shanae. And he'd be like, hey, girl, we going to the club. This is Nabla also. Major Pleasure Volume Extension Mascara. So that's what that is. I don't have anything Nabla except something my other friend has sent me in a surprise package. So this is what the mascara container looks like. Too Faced Melted Metallic Liquid Metallic Matte Lipstick. I've never tried one of these. Most of this stuff I've never, actually none of this stuff have I tried, except I have tried the Urban Decay 24 liner pencil, but none of the other stuff I have tried. So this is going to be really exciting for me. And this is what the liquid lip looks like from Too Faced. Thank you so much, Joe Beauty87. I know I keep saying that, but this is like some really nice stuff here. And stuff, as I said, that I haven't used before. So that is really exciting. Hello Kitty Colourpop Pineapple Cake. That's cute. Hello Kitty. This one is Teeny Keeny. And this is what that one looks like. And a Bambi palette from Disney. Pressed powder palette, it says. And this looks like that. Very cute palettes. We're going to open up this box from the bottom instead of opening it like a regular person would. Alva Cream Lip Stain. The color is Water Lily. And this is the packaging. Tinkerbell from Colourpop. Clap If You Believe, it says here. This is the color of that. Sorry for the glare. This is another one. This one says Tinkerbell. And again, this is Colourpop. This is what that one looks like. Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle. This color is Up to No Good. And I do like the Mademoiselles. And I don't think I've ever had this color. So this is that color, if you can see it. And an Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, which I have used before and I do like. Awesome. Which is great because there's a lot of eyeshadow palettes in here. And so she put in eye primer and eyeliners. This is really cool. Did I open this already? Yes, I did. This, I'm going to have to cut this open for sake of time. Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder, Translucent. I've never used the Too Faced setting powder. And I do use setting powders. So I'm excited to try this. I was seeing if it has a scent, but it has a sifter and a cap above the sifter, which is really nice. All right, we're going to get into these palettes. LA Girl. This one is Keep It Playful eyeshadow palette. Sorry for the glares. That's what that looks like. Anastasia Norvina palette, which I do not have. I did have and loved the Soft Glam palette. So this is what that looks like. This is Adept Cosmetics. Sorry for all the glares. Plain Jane. Ooh, oh my. Yeah, ain't nothing Plain Jane about this. Is that what that said? Yeah, on the front, it says Plain Jane. This is not plain. Somebody lying. These are all either, I don't know. I want to say pressed glitters, but I'm not sure. I'm not going to touch any of them right now. But to me, just looking at them, they look like glitters. Ooh, they're pretty though. KKW Beauty. I don't have anything from her brand. I love the camouflage look. I'm an Army veteran. This is what that looks like. And it does fit the packaging, the camouflage. I'm excited to try this because of the colors. And it does look like you can possibly go grungy with it. Sorry for that. And so we're gonna see what it do. Got one last thing here. She notified me I won. I messaged her back through Instagram, and I sent her my address. Well, I thanked her, of course, and then later I'm like, silly me, forgot to send my address. And so I sent the address, and then she sent back a tracking number, and I was just like, wow, like she's on point, y'all. That's all I'm gonna say. So please check her out. Barbie Colourpop one hand mirror. She looks like me, don't she? I'm the troll. I look better. Trolls are adorable. I don't know who this is. Aww, look at the mirror. This is so cute. Oh, girl, you look good. And it does say Barbie and Colourpop on the handle. And I'm not gonna blind you, but this is the box. Like, it is really cute, and it's styrofoam, so it's soft. Like, this is really adorable. Oh, I just saw something. Oh my god. That was a surprise. Odin's Eye highlighter palette. I have nothing from this brand, and I've been eyeballing some of their eyeshadow palettes. So this is what that looks like. It's a highlighter palette. I'm trying to see if the colors will look any different. Okay, here we go. Those are what it looks like in person. And we have one more thing that I was really shocked to see, as you can tell, because I was like, Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. Like, what? And y'all know I love me some Natasha Denona. And this is one of her midi size, and you can pop them out. The ones that's not midi, you can pop them out too. And you can rearrange them, turn them around. I don't know if I remember this being in there or not when she showed what she was giving away in her video. But this is what the Sunrise palette looks like. Sorry for that glare. Glares everywhere. Glares for everyone. You get a glare. You get a glare. You get a glare. So that's what that looks like. And I do not have this one. I had it years ago, and for some reason I didn't keep it. But I'm going to keep this one, and I'm going to use this one because it's a giveaway prize, and it's beautiful. So thank you, Beauty87, for these prizes. I am really excited, and you all will see me in future videos using some of these products. And so thank you for being here, and check her out. Subscribe to her. Subscribe to me too. And you'll see me in the next video.